Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your iPhone. It's the same and easy process. So all you need to do is come on your Safari and search for Epic Games. Just click on that website. Then you just want to come here and go ahead and install this application. Click on install and it will start downloading it. Once it's done downloading, guys, all you need to do is install the APK. It would literally come in your installed files right here. So just come click on this and then click on your package installer, right? Just go ahead and install it. And if it says update, you can go ahead and update that as well. And then all you need to do is open that up, right? Open up the Epic Game Store, come here and download Fortnite. And once you're done downloading it, you can go ahead and open this up. Let me show you. I'm currently on my phone, as you can see. And here we go. Right here is Fortnite. And I can literally play Fortnite. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope that this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.